Today I'm gonna do unboxing of this Skullcandy Crusher wireless. Is it worth the money or not? Let's find out. Of this Skullcandy Crusher, let me give you the overview of this box. Here it says bass you can feel, Crusher wireless, Bluetooth technology, and you get 40 hours of battery backup. If you charge it for 10 minutes, it will give you 3 hours of backup, and its base price is 12,999, but I got it in sale for rupees 6,000.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
These are the box content. We got one charging cable, carrying pouch, and one 3.5 mm aux cable, with which we got a microphone and function key as well. This is Skullcandy Crusher wireless, and this headphone sounds better than you thought. Let's be clear, this is the kind of low-end heavy subwoofer bass you would expect to hear in club. These headphones are strictly for the bass heads who will probably derive some enjoyment from them. Audiophiles need to away from the headphones immediately and look elsewhere for the level of balance, refinement, and the Skullcandy Crushers have no intention of offering them. But if you are a hip hop or EDM fan, a worshipper of boom, then these headphones may just be what you were looking for. Let's talk about the build quality and design. From afar, the Skullcandy Crusher looks like a pretty stylish, if slightly chunky, of headphones. They come in either a matte black finish or white tan combination. For this video, we opted for the matte black version, which looks very awesome and premium. Even though the Skullcandy Crushers are quite large headphones, the hinge design allows them to fold up into a relatively small package that is easily stored in the accompanying carry bag. Although we generally prefer a case, the bag is made from a thick waterproof material. Also, the Skullcandy Crushers cushion are very soft so that you don't feel any pain in your ears. The headphone itself looks sturdy and very premium. Over here you got leatherized finish, and the material used over here is plastic, which is again a very sturdy. Let's talk about controls. On the bottom edge of the right ear cup, you will find three buttons, a center malfunction button with a plus and minus button on either side. Between them, they control all the usual functions of power on and off, volume and track selection, pause, play, Bluetooth pairing, and call handling. On the left ear cup, you will find a bass slider, which is a very good function in this headphone. Also, the sliders are very smooth so that you can easily slide, and the buttons are quite immersive and tactile. Connectivity and call quality. Pairing was a painless process on both the Android and iOS devices. We tried them on. Once paired, the Bluetooth connection stayed strong up to the advertised 30 feet range. Anything over that, they started to cut out, but that is completely normal for the Bluetooth headphones. The Skullcandy Crusher have an exceptionally good microphone which makes for very smooth call ability. The sound quality when used wirelessly was a little lower than when using the 3.5 mm wired jack, but again that is completely normal. Battery life. Probably the most impressive feature of this crusher is the battery life. Skullcandy advertised 40 hours of continuous use on a full charge, which is excellent. We actually managed to get just over 50 hours of use before they needed more juice. This is probably due to the fact that we tried the bass slider on its lowest setting for the majority of time. This feature is insane for the music lovers. Before we start the sound test, let me give you the idea of how it sounds. As I already mentioned, these are very much bass oriented headphones. As the Skullcandy marketed these as bass you can feel, and to be honest, this isn't far from the truth. It got dual drivers, one is 40 mm of acoustic and another is bass booster which is 34 mm of driver, which give you a very much haptic feedback, with which we got 32 ohm of impedance. Let's move back to the best part, which is the sound test. Let's go.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the
Let me increase the bass slider again.
baby, why do I love the way you are when always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned with me. Till then, bye bye.